Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video we're going to see how you can fix MS Gaming overlay pop-up message in Windows 11. Well, it is a very easy and simple process, so let's dive right into it. So the first thing that you'd have to do is open your registry editor, for which you have to simply just go on the search icon that you can see right here. And then on the search bar, you can start typing registry editor. So after you've typed that down, here you can see the open option. Simply click on it. And now here a pop-up will be shown. Simply just click on yes. Since it can't be recorded on screen, you can't see it. So simply click on yes, and this will open your registry editor. And now in here, what you're going to do is click on the option HKey current user right here. You can simply just click on this arrow in order to expand it. And like this, here you can see it has been expanded. And now you have to click on the software option right here and expand it too. So after you've done that here, what you're going to do is search for Microsoft. Here you can see Microsoft right here, again expand it. And after expanding it, now you have to expand Windows, for which you can scroll down and search it. Here you can see the option of Windows. You can simply just expand it by clicking in this arrow like this. And now what you're going to do is expand the current version that you can see right here. So after doing so, all you have to do is click on the game DVR option that you will be able to see right here by simply just scrolling it. Here you can see the option of game DVR. You can simply just double click it now. And then here on the top, you can see the option of app captured enable. What you're going to do is simply double click this like this. And then here you can see the option of value data right here. Currently, you can see it as 1. You have to change it to 0. Like this, here you can see it is now 0. And all we have to do is click on OK. And like this, it should fix your problem. If you can't see the app captured enable, what you're going to do is right click on your mouse. And here click on a new. So after clicking on new, here you can see the option of, and then name this one app captured enabled. So after you've named that, you can simply just click on here. And like this, app captured will be shown. And again, all you have to do is simply double click on it. And then again, change the value data. And like this, you can fix your MS Gaming overlay pop-up message on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.